Have you ever wondered about the journey these tiny sardines go through before appearing on our dining tables? From swimming freely in the vast ocean to becoming a delicious treat in a small tin can, each sardine undergoes an incredible process, a blend of modern technology and human dedication. Today, we will follow the footsteps of fishermen and step inside the processing factory to explore every stage, from catching, transporting, and processing to canning sardines with the highest quality. This journey is not just a testament to technological advancements, but also the marvel of the food industry. Get ready for an exciting discovery. As the sun dips below the horizon, an underwater hunt begins. Sardines, small yet highly nutritious, often form massive schools, creating the perfect opportunity for fishing. But how do fishermen pinpoint their exact location in the vast ocean? In the past, they relied on natural signs, such as seabirds hovering or unusual ripples on the water. Today, modern sonar technology has revolutionized this process, making fish detection faster and more precise than ever. The sonar system emits sound waves into the water and captures the echoes to map the movement of fish schools. Once a large school is detected, the boat quickly deploys nets, encircling and hauling in thousands of sardines within minutes. It's an extremely fast-paced process that demands seamless coordination between humans and machines. The moment sardines are pulled from the water, a race against time begins. To maintain their freshness and nutritional value, they must be kept at low temperatures immediately. Any delay could result in a loss of quality. Fishermen quickly transfer the sardines into large ice-filled containers, where the temperature is carefully controlled to slow natural decomposition. But this is just the first step. Next, they must be transported to the processing factory as soon as possible. Imagine a non-stop logistical system, with refrigerated trucks running continuously to ensure that by the time the sardines reach the factory, they are as fresh as when they were pulled from the sea. Inside the factory, an advanced processing system operates with absolute precision. Here, millions of sardines are handled scientifically and efficiently every day. Upon arrival, the fish are poured into cold water tanks to maintain a stable temperature. They are then placed onto conveyor belts, where both workers and machines work together to clean each one. Heads and internal organs are removed, and the fish are washed through multiple stages to ensure no impurities remain. Every step is strictly monitored, because even a single substandard sardine could result in an entire batch being discarded. Now, the clean sardines are ready for the most crucial step: cooking and canning. This is the secret behind the distinctive taste of canned sardines that we enjoy. Contrary to popular belief, sardines are not cooked before canning. Instead, they are carefully arranged inside tin cans and filled with olive oil or special sauces. Next, the cans are tightly sealed and placed in steam chambers at temperatures exceeding 100 degrees Celsius. This process not only eliminates bacteria but also naturally cooks the fish, preserving both flavor and nutrients. This is why canned sardines can be stored for long periods while maintaining their perfect taste and quality. Before reaching consumers, every can of sardines must pass rigorous quality checks. The cans are inspected for weight, seal integrity, and appearance before being labeled and packaged. Hundreds of thousands of cans are neatly stacked onto trucks, ready for shipment to supermarkets, restaurants, and kitchens worldwide. From the ocean to your table, each can of sardines represents a complex process that combines cutting-edge technology with meticulous human craftsmanship. A small can of sardines holds a big story. The story of hardworking fishermen, modern technology, and strict quality control. The next time you open a can of sardines, remember that you're enjoying the result of an incredible journey from the vast ocean to your meal. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.